Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically change the appearance of cells based on their content. For example, you can highlight cells with certain values, making it easier to spot trends or important information at a glance. First, select the range of cells where you want to apply the conditional formatting. For this example, I am going to use a list of sales figures and highlight the cells that meet certain criteria. Next, go to the top menu, click on Format, and then select Conditional Formatting. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen where you can set your formatting rules. In the conditional formatting panel, you can choose from a variety of rules. For example, you can format cells based on whether their values are greater than or less than a certain number, whether they contain specific text, or even whether they match a custom formula. But I am going to set a rule that highlights any sales figure greater than $500. So to do this, I'll select greater than from the drop down menu and enter 500 in the value box and choose a formatting style like a green fill color. Once you are done, click done and you will see that all cells with values greater than $500 are now highlighted in green. This makes it easy to see which sales exceeded that target. So like this, you can also check the less than values. You can also add multiple rules to the same range or adjust the existing ones. Just return to the conditional formatting panel, click on add another rule and set up your new criteria. And that's it. You now know how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to make your data stand out. Whether you are tracking performance, managing budgets, or just organizing information, this tool can help you work more effectively or efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.